Gucci, a brief fashion history. In 1921, a visionary named Guccio Gucci founded a brand in Florence, Italy. He began by crafting exquisite leather goods and luggage. Fast forward to the 1930s, Guccio's initials, G, inspired the birth of the iconic double G logo, an emblem that would soon become synonymous with luxury and style. Gucci's reputation for impeccable craftsmanship grew rapidly. Its product range expanded beyond leather goods, encompassing clothing, accessories, and footwear. Innovative designs caught the eyes of fashion enthusiasts and celebrities alike, cementing Gucci's position as a trendsetter in the industry. With a blend of creativity and business acumen, Gucci's influence reached far and wide, captivating a discerning high-end clientele across the globe. Gucci's journey into the modern era was marked by exciting collaborations with artists and designers, infusing fresh creativity into the brand. And there you have it, a glimpse into the remarkable journey of Gucci,